Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Artist, and I will tell you what we are going to see today. We are going to see a beautiful triangular button, means beautiful button with triangular effect, and after that we'll see the code of it, and no need to copy code from this video. I will provide the full code file in the description below. And okay, so without any wastage of time, I will show you what we are going to see today. Okay, this is the button we are going to see. And I just refresh the page, and let's see. If you hover on the blue part, it whole button change to blue, and if I hover on the white part, the whole button change to white. And see the transition effect. Okay, see the beautiful animated. And guys, I just use a gradient color, blue gradient color. So you can customize these colors according to your project. You can customize the size of the button, you can customize the font of the button, everything you can customize. Okay, so according to your project, do not just copy and paste my code. Be remember to customize everything according to your project, what suit to your project. Okay, and guys, you think I am providing some good content for your project, for your development journey, so please support my channel, and make sure to subscribe and like my channel. Okay, I will show you the code for this button. Okay, here is the code. That's a small code, and here is the css file. That's a small button, so small code also. Okay, here is the small css file, and I don't need to explain anything. Okay, but just you want to change anything, so you can change in the css file. Just copy and paste it in your project. I think if everything is fine, no error. So that's end for today, guys. And I will try to cover every single part in my videos. So if I forget, if you think I forget something, just comment. And I need your feedback also, if I making some mistake in my video. So please comment below. Okay, so thanks a lot, thanks a lot.